Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 5-pack with different colors of underwear. And so these are what they look like here. They're super comfortable and thin looking and stuff like that, which is why I got them. They are, it says large. It says it's 95% bamboo viscose and 5% spandex. So it kind of gives you some of that stretch as well as the comfort and everything like that. And so I got 5 different colors. I'm gonna try one of these on and I'll show you guys how it looks here. So, okay, so this is what this color looks like. I'm colorblind, so I don't know what color these are, but it's got a good cuff around here, so it feels nice, and it connects up onto my leg good. It's got a good feel around my butt, so good. I can stretch, I can do some squats and things like that, and it feels pretty good. And up front, it definitely has the room I need, which is good. And it's really comfortable, it's good. And it's got the little label over here where it says the brand Expertoftio. And then it looks like we've got different colors there. So we have that color, we have this black color here. We have, I don't know, is this green maybe? I'm colorblind, so you guys can tell me what color that is. And then the blue here. And gray, it looks like here, gray. So these are good. So let me try on a gray one here too and just see if there's any difference between the different colors. And I'll let you know here in a second. So yeah, this one feels good. And it's good. It's nice to have some of these different color ones. So if I wear some thin shorts or something like that, or something that are a little bit see-through, I can pick the right color underwear for the right color shorts I'm wearing, just in case it comes out the bottom or something, because I kind of got the underwear a little bit long. So it's good, and these are a great size, totally a perfect fit. So these are good. These are really nice. So I like these. And look, and I got all 3 of these other 3 colors as well. So it's a really nice set. So you get all 5 of them. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.